I'm Bill, and we're back in the garage. Today I'm working on a little repair job. I've got this nylon grommet that's broken off of my Chevrolet Silverado gas fill. Let me show you. Now what it is, right here where you put the fuel in, this little grommet, this little nylon grommet has broke, so my fill tube's loose. So what I have to do is replace this grommet. You can see right there how it's broke there on the end, so it no longer secures this grommet up in there. It won't catch anymore, so I'm gonna have to fix that. So what I did is I went to Lowe's. Yes, Lowe's Home Improvement. They do sell automotive fasteners. I was surprised to learn that myself, but I thought they might. You know those drawers they have down there in the fastener aisle? They've got a couple drawers, 2 or 3 drawers there that are specifically for nylon rivets and various fasteners, not just rivets, but other fasteners as well for all different makes and models. Anyway, they did not have specifically the exact nylon rivet that I needed, but they did have these, and I think these will work. They are the same size. They're the 1/4 inch nylon rivets, which is what this is, and they are the same width and diameter. They are the same width and diameter, so I think they'll work. So I'm gonna open these up and we'll find out. As you can see, they are very similar. This is the new one, and this is the one that's all busted up. They are the same size, same diameter. Let's go put it on. Now I do have my gas cap taken off just so it's easier to get in there. And let me show you this little trick. You know what that little hook's for? That's so you can hang your gas cap on there when you're filling your vehicle up. Pretty handy, huh? Just hooks right on there. Anyway, here is my fastener. Position that in there like that. Got it lined up. Push that down. That should be it. No more wiggle on the fill tube. Guys, I hope you found that information helpful. Why don't you go ahead and press down on that thumbs up and give this video a like, and if you're not a subscriber yet, why not? Go ahead and subscribe right now, and if you hit that notification bell, you get notified each and every time I upload some new content, so do that right now. You guys be sure and watch this video next for more helpful information.